Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to create a blog post tab in our Elementor WordPress website. So first of all we can log in into our website. Let's add here your login details. After that, now go to plugin sections. Make sure that you have installed Elementor Pro. Here you can see in the plugin list I have installed Elementor Pro. Now we need to install a plugin, that is Elementor add-ons. Here you can see Happy Add-ons. It has a free variant as well as paid variant. Just you can install both of these. Let me upload the plugin from laptop. Here you can see plugin file. Make sure that plugin file will be in zip format. Otherwise you will get error in plugin installation. It will take just few seconds. After that we will be able to activate this plugin. Here you can see the plugin installed successfully. Now activate the plugin. After that, here you can see we got notification Happy Add-ons Pro. Just click here. After that, install the free variant of plugin. Here you can see this is WordPress plugin directory that contains thousands of free plugins. Just you can install any of the plugin. After that, activate it. So now scroll down. Here you can see various options. Let's go back to the front page. After that, here you can see on the top of every page, edit with Elementor. So now Elementor page builder is loading. It will take just few seconds. After that we will be able to edit our website and we can create new sections whatever we want. Scroll down. Here you can see. Now just click here plus. After that add a new section here. So now we can select column. After that search for advanced tabs. Here you can see this is the plugin that element that comes with Happy Add-ons Pro. So just drag it here. After that here you can see tabs. By default these are 2 tabs. Just you can duplicate and create new tabs. Then click here. After that here you can change the title. For example, I can add a title according to blog post history, blog post categories. Then scroll down. Here you can see content source. Select here template. Then here you can select the template. Here you can see these are all the templates that are created. Then select one of the template. So here you can see these are the blog posts that are added in the history category. But let's see how we can create this template. So just go back to the dashboard. Here you can see Elementor templates. Then click here save templates. After that here you can see these are the templates that are created. If you want to create new template, just click here add new. After that here you can select section. Now you can add here a name related to your blog post category. Let's see, here you can see in the post categories. Now we can create news category template. So we can add here name news. So this will be the template name. Now here you can select pre-made layouts, but at this time we can add here a new section, then add element, search for post, scroll down, here you can see this is the element, just add here. After that, here we can select cards. Now scroll down and we can do a little bit customization. Then after that, click here update. So now the template has been added. Now let's update and refresh the page so that we will be able to use this template. Here you can see this is the tab title that we have added here. After that, we have selected content source, that is the template. So let's do it for the new category that we have created the template for that. Let's refresh the page. Now let's edit tab section, just click here. After that, on the second tab, here you can see we can add here title. Let's add the title according to our post category news. After that, here you can see content source, select template. After that, now here you can see all the templates, just select news template. So here you can see the news category content is displaying fine. When we click here news, here you can see the content for news has been added. In this way you can create beautiful tabs in Elementor WordPress website.